more day cream, please. At 55, I need all the help I can get. This one is awesome. It's got gold in it. It's by GLO24K. It's got gold, hyaluronic acid, and collagen in it. And it feels amazing going on. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It is my new favorite cream. I love it. I love the smell. I love the feel of it. And it works really great with the red light, So their whole company is all about the red light. And so this is going to enhance those treatments a lot. And this is absolutely fantastic stuff. It's moisturizing. It feels good going on, but it's not greasy. It doesn't feel greasy. So I've been using it morning and night for about 3 weeks now. And I absolutely love it. A little bit goes a long way. And then I've been using it with the red light mask as well. And oh my gosh, my skin is feeling tighter. I feel like I'm reducing some of these spots that I'm a little self-conscious about. So awesome. I'd like to thank them once again. This is really awesome stuff. It is fabulous, goes on really well, and it just feels good, and just, you can feel the quality of it. It's really great.